Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the shaft as well as the groove command in Part Design to create features. So this is for beginners mostly so that you may understand how to use the features. So the two features, you need to create a half profile that you're going to revolve around an axis. For the groove, it can be a complete profile and then you sweep it across an axis. So let's start with the shaft. I'm going to hide this and just use an axis system instead. And I can sketch on the ZY plane. Okay, and here you can create any profile that you want. You can use this axis or you can create your own axis here. So you have to make sure it's vertical. And then let's say I start with a circular profile. Like that. And then it may extend. I'm going to click on profile. And then I'm going to drop a tangent line down there. So it doesn't have to be exactly how I'm doing mine. This is just for illustration purposes. We can have a straight line going down like that. It can even protrude outwards. And then we can have a thin groove right there. Maybe it reduces. And then we've got a large base. So you always have to make sure that you go back to the axis. So the profile starts at the axis and it also ends at the axis. I've selected automatic constraints, so maybe I'm going to delete some so I can adjust, especially these lengths. I feel like I need to bring this inwards a little bit. Oh, hold on. I'm going to delete this as well. Okay. And I can select those and move them inwards. So basically you can have any sort of profile that you want. We can create a dome shape right here. I'm going to select circle. And then I'm going to select quick trim, which you can also access from insert, operation, then limitations, quick trim. Okay. Once you select it, we are going to trim this length. All right. Then you're going to trim this circle as well. Then exit. And then you're going to select shaft. and it automatically detects the sketch axis of the sketch that you've selected. And then here you can control the degrees. For example, for 360, it's a complete feature. If you select, say, 180, it's going to be half. As you can see, it's going to be a half feature. You can change the properties of your feature up here. So this is how you create shafts. I'm going to leave it at 360 first. And then I'm going to show you how you create grooves. So groove is also a subtraction of material, and you're going to revolve it around an axis as well. So for instance, let's say we select this ZX axis and I want to add more features to this. I can sketch and select, say, an ellipse, and I can subtract an elliptical material right there. Select groove. This is the profile. The axis is going to be the same sketch axis, 360. Hold on. Oh, sorry, that wasn't. This is supposed to coincide with this material. Oh, I see where we went wrong. I'm going to delete this. We should sketch on the same axis from which we sketched this. Let me try the ZY plane. Perfect. So that at least I can see. And then you can add that ellipse. So of course you can add dimensions depending on the specific function that you want it to have. And then we're going to select a groove around the same axis. And it's going to cut out material as shown. Let's try one more. I can choose to create a freeform groove. Say that goes like that. And then once again, I'm going to select a groove around this axis. And again, it's going to deduct that. So this is how we create shafts. And then of course there are other functions such as the fillets that can be performed. We have chamfers. And so on and so forth. Yes, like that. So as you can see, there are many functions that can be done with these two commands or tools that are found in Part Design Workbench. So when we get to the more advanced tutorials, then I'm going to show you more complex features that we can create using the same tools. So for now, that will be it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next episode.